May 2024. We're trying to do daily analysis for today. Quickly, we're going to run through this guy. Currently, we don't know whether we are going up or down, but last I checked, this high has not been broken. Neither has this low. Neither has this low been broken. So we can't say whether we're in a downtrend or not. But last I checked, there's a lot to say. So let's just go to the weekly. For this one, it's obvious that we're in a downtrend, right? This place has been broken. So just going to identify this is the last high, right? This is the last low on the weekly. That being said, we've not. It's time to fib this last one. You see, we're heading towards this side. But first, this swing too needs to be fibbed. It has not been fibbed yet, has it? Sorry. Yep. So it has not been fibbed yet. So I think we're heading towards that. That's why that will call for a break above uh 7, a break above 180, which is very significant. Can see multiple times it has touched it past week. The other week into the pullback, and this week it's touching it again. So looking for a break of it this week to get to this 61.8 fib. Don't know which time of the week is gonna happen, but I think we're expecting strong news this week. So I think CPI, yeah, CPI, I believe. So that being said, let's just mark that guy out. Apart from that, we also have this our weekly trend line, right? Weekly trend line. Let's paint this guy red for sake of clarity and proper identification. Same thing with this one. Let's paint it red for sake of clarity to an identification. Ooh. So we're done with the week. We know where we're heading. We're heading for this 61.8 on the weekly. So moving on to the daily, we have to adjust this a bit. Yeah, this is better. Moving on to the daily. On the daily, we have a swing. We have a pro swing, and we have an internal swing. So pro, this is the last one. No, these are going to be conflicting. So let me use this guy instead. The last swing for daily we're bullish. The last swing is this guy, and you could see that it has gotten past equilibrium up to 61.8 and is heading to deep retracement, which is 78.6, right? That's the pro. And so on the internal, which is this guy, this retracement is one I was doing the internal swing. You can see it's also going up too, right? Zoom in a bit, and you also observe that we have the daily downtrend line too, which I think has been broken. Yep, it's respected. So we could also say that. And let's paint this guy black. Yep. So you can see it was touched last week and it was broken today. Though the close above it was not very strong, but it had broken and the next candlestick is opening above it. So let's just see whether it would come back down and close below it the following day, or whether it's just grabbing liquidity to come back down and close the following day, or it's going to move up from there. So we know where we're heading, right? Which is this weekly 61.8 fib level and 78.6 daily deep retracement level. But how are we going to get there? How are we going to get there? So can we can we call this? Yes, we can, but it won't be that valid. But let's just do that. So this is the closest uptrend line that we can draw. We can use as a guide, right? saying use as a guide. So peradventure this guy tries to. So let's see it. Ooh, it's getting clearer now. I think this will fit to 4 hour more. So 4 hour we are bullish. Last swing on the 4 hour was this guy. Last swing was this guy. Last swing was this guy, right? Then followed by this one. So last swing was this guy. So last swing was this guy, which has been broken, right? So I don't know where it's going to be on the daily pullback. Oh, a new candlestick just 4 hour candlestick. So wow, that's good. So we're expecting to push up. We use the Asia session to pull back after yesterday's strong move. So I think we're going to use it's possible the London session and New York session might be the trigger to go higher. Well, so let's identify what we've done before. We identify our POIs. This will look more specific, more accurate on the this is valid too. This should be valid too, right? So yeah, I don't know. So I don't know how deep this pullback is going to go. Whether it's going to come on touch the trend line again. Don't know whether that's going to happen, but we do know. Let's just keep in mind that whatever happens, right, we're heading forwards. This point, this 61.8 weekly fib, which is also the daily 78.6 retracement. This is where we're heading towards. So that, in other words, this is where we're heading towards. Initially, I thought we would reject this daily trend and we would, but it's been broken already. The break is not confirmed. What do I mean by that? I mean, next candlestick should also close above it as today. If today closes above it, then we're sure of the break, and we know we're heading towards confirmed that we're heading towards this point. So let's see how today goes. Right, let's see how today goes. This is a POI. I'd love to adjust this, put that down. This is a POI. So let's see how it goes today. So if you're entering any buys here, right, this will be your first TP, and you just ride it to it gets to this point again. So you're looking at about 20 pips. If you're getting in here, stop loss will be about 4 5 pips. First is this guy, 20. The second is this guy. It's about 40, right? So I think that's it. Today was quite simple, but let's see whether it's going to be as straightforward as this, because it is one thing for you to say market to do this, one thing for market to actually do what he said it would do, right? So let's just see whether there's going to be a break. Might not be a straightforward break, but this is what we're expecting anyway. So we can also see it's an AB equals CD. That's what like that. So it's an AB equals CD, right? Let's see whether it's going to do this. So that's it, guys.